we'll guide you through how to create Claude projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Anthropic website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard, which is your main hub for managing projects. Look for the Create New Project button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the details of your new project. Start by giving your project a unique name that reflects its purpose or content. This will help you easily identify it later. Then, you may need to select a model version, so choose the one that best fits your project's requirements. Next, you'll be asked to configure your project settings. This can include setting up permissions for team members if you're collaborating with others, and determining the data inputs your project will handle. Pay attention to these settings as they can greatly influence how your project functions. After you've configured everything to your liking, click on the Create or Submit button to finalize the creation of your project. You should now see your new project listed on the dashboard, ready to be developed further. Remember that you can always go back and adjust the settings if needed, so don't worry if you're unsure about something at first. And that's it. Your Claude project is set up and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.